What's the meaning of crust? Crust. Crust.
Crust. Crust. Crust can have several meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a hard, outer layer or covering of something. For example, the crust on a loaf of bread is the browned, crispy outer layer. In geology, the Earth's crust is the outermost layer of the planet that includes the continents and ocean floors. In astronomy, the crust of a celestial body such as a planet or moon refers to its solid outer layer. Overall, crust typically describes the outermost layer of something that is hard or firm.